Now, today, February 14th, Valentine's Day, we are presenting
from the South African jungle. We have presented this beast. And now, we shall let the volunteer things.
Take the penguin out, it's blocking the tiger.
Okay, put it back in. Put it in the front. Oh, shit.
Guys, you have to be quiet. Somebody stick their hand in there. Oh God. Michelle, stop. We're gonna get in big trouble. Let's put it on the TV when we watch it.
I don't have the thing, the cord.
You lost it?
I don't know where it is.
I thought you found it.
No, I said I still haven't found it.
Back me.
Last time I think it was me.
Okay, let it go. Wait, as soon as I get on top of the bed.
We will now let it go. Wait, give it to me. Carlos, give it to me. We will now let it go. As soon as we're safe on top of the bed.
Okay, somebody pull on that string with the prisoner.
Oh, they took it out.
Oh, somebody put it back in.
No.
And then Michelle will pull on it.
I'm not going to jump in.
No, pull on it.
Oh, yeah, pass it to me. We will now. We just got to pull the thing in, okay?
Okay.
Put it up to me. I want to be... I shall pull it in. He's charging the door. I am scared. Very, very afraid. This is what happens. We hit him. Don't give me a stick.
Leave it. That tiger is running loose.
This is very dangerous. We are afraid.
We need to get the tiger back in its cage. We will cut off the video now.